Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how can we edit the content and the QR codes of a PDF file. Okay, so see here I have a IRCTC ticket, which is Indian Railway Platform Ticketing Company, you can say. And here what I want is I want to change this text. Okay, from for example, I want to change the boarding station and to and then date or the name of the person traveling, age, maybe, or price, anything that you want to change. Let's say we can change anything using any online tool. But the problem here is there's a QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you will get the original text all over already written, okay, which was already there. You will get that text. So what we have to do, we have to change this text as well as the text inside this QR. So for this, what we are going to use, we are going to use a software called PDF Exchange Editor Plus. Now, for this, we'll be requiring the crack version, because in the normal version, you will get a watermark on your output or exported PDF file. Now, you can get this software from my Telegram channel. Here it is. I will send you the link to download this file from here. The next step you have to do is you have to extract it. I have already extracted it. Inside it, you will find files like this. The first thing that we have to do is we have to set up our software. So simply we'll install it. Next, agree on this. Then next, here select complete, and you can start with the free version only. Just click on next and then install. Let it get installed. Then we have to crack it, and cracking it is actually easy. We can just close this now. We don't need it. We'll click on finish and close. Now, in order to crack it, there will be folder crack.rar. You can extract it. So you will get this folder like here, crack. So depending on your operating system, I have a 64-bit operating system. If you have 32-bit, you have to select x86. I have the 64-bit OS. So I'll copy this file. Then I'll go to my Windows C, then program files. And here you will find a folder called Tracker Software. Now, Tracker Software is the company which has developed this software, so don't worry. And here inside you have to go to PDF editor and you have to paste this DLL file. This will be already here, like x64 DLL here, but we have to replace it with the modified DLL file. So replace the file in destination and continue. Now we are done with the setup part. I'll go to my downloads, open the PDF editor here, PDF Exchange Editor. Now open the file that I want to change. Here is the file. So let's start with changing the text. Okay. So for example, let's say first of all, I'll edit the PNR number so that it cannot be cracked. So I'll go to edit content and then I'll double click on this 4218 maybe. And here you can write 67 anything. Okay, you can just change this. You can change these things. You can change the booking date. Let's say I want to make it 13 Feb. So I'll make this. You can change the status or anything like this. You can change the name, maybe like let's say Vivek or anything. Okay, so we've changed this as well. Now, if you want to change the transaction ID, you can change it as well. And then you can scroll down. You can change the final price as well. Okay, depending upon your requirement, you can do this. Once you are done, you can just click on this hand and you will get the new file like this. So this is how you can change the text, but our main problem is this QR code. So let's see how can we edit the QR code. Simply you have to go to document, then you have to click on add bar, then you have to click on red barcode rectangle, select this barcode or QR code basically. Okay, I'll rename everything here. and we can change anything that you want here. So I already tried copy pasted one, the thing that I want to do here. Okay, here we will change the transaction ID. Depending upon, just keep in mind, keep the transaction ID that you've changed in here in this as well. Okay, don't uh change things like transaction ID is different here and different in the QR code. That way you will get a step. Guys, if you want anything, okay, it's totally up to you. You can change all the things that you want. And once you are done with it, simply click on paste. Now the problem is this QR will be placed on the top of this original QR. So first what you have to do, you have to move this on the side and you have to delete this QR. So for this, what you have to do, you have to click on edit content and then you have to click on this QR and simply delete. Click on delete button. It will delete it. Now again go to this hand button and now you can move this QR to the original place where it was. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, you can just go to file and click on save as. Edited. Okay, and we are done. Everything is done. Now if you open it and you scan the barcode, QR code, you'll get the new text that we have written. Okay, so this is how you can change the text and everything inside the QR code, whatever you want. Okay, I hope you learned something new. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.